Okay guys, today we're going to be changing the setup a little bit. Instead of the 970 motherboard that we had previously, we are upgrading to the Sabertooth 990 FX. This is the AM3 Plus motherboard. It's the top tier, top of the range. It's got military class everything, I reckon. Cooled VRM radiators everywhere with special coating. It helps to dissipate the heat better. We have the CryoRig H7 over here. Underneath there's the 8350 AMD FX 8350 8-core processor. So the thing is that we're going to be modifying the case today. This is my PC case. It's a full-blown rack mounted PC case. The thing is that it's too deep. Basically, it's too deep. We're going to be cutting some elements. So most of the equipment stays the same. We have the 500 watt OCZ power supply, some Arctic fans to keep the case cool. Of course, we are running the GeForce EVGA superclocked mini version, the 1060. Nice piece of kit. It will fit into this case because the space is limited. Even though it's a rack mounted case, the space is limited. This is the Wi-Fi card. It's the Archer AC 1700, I suspect. It is also top of the range, fastest dual band. Works under Windows 10. It does have some hiccups basically, but I think I found a workaround. You just disconnect one of the antennas and it starts working fine. It's a strange thing. Of course, HDD 500 gigs system drive. It's the PNY solid state drive. It's going to be mounted in the case. Sure, we have 16 gigs of Gskill Ripjaws over here. The motherboard supports basically everything you can imagine. It's got all of it over here, including power eSATA, if you know what that is. So yeah, this case takes full ATX full size motherboards. It's got nice slots to hold up some drives. They do go in these funny caddies, like so. You just fit them inside, and that's it basically. So we are going to be cutting the case like somewhere here and somewhere here.
push back. Let's table